Welcome everyone. Today we are now going to discuss about a magical drink that is apple cider vinegar that helps in relieving from acid reflux and stomach problems. Apple cider vinegar has many healing medicinal properties, but what you are gonna experience are only going to be scientific facts pertaining to how your stomach functions. If you come with symptoms such as gastritis, stomach pain, chest pain problems, then we prescribe proton pump inhibitors like cimetidine, ranitidine, which is called Rantac, and some acid blockers. But they just treat the symptoms but do not cure the root cause in the stomach. To this, the condition gets further worse, and unfortunately, your poor stomach has to suffer. As the stomach cannot perform its job, it doesn't have acid, as acid needed to assimilate calcium in the bones, leading to depletion of calcium in the bones. That is nothing but your calcium content in the bone reduces, leading to osteoporosis, particularly seen in backbone and legs. That is what it means is your backbone and legs gets very weak and you are unable to walk and run like before. As acid is needed to digest proteins, if it is absent, then it leads to bloating, gas, chest pain, etc. As acid is needed for iron absorption, so if it is absent, then it leads to iron deficiency anemia and B12 deficiency anemia due to intrinsic factor deficiency, which leads to pale lips, pale lower eyelids, pale tongue, and pale fingertips, which are also symptoms you should observe and vigilant about. Due to the lack of the gastric acid, the harmful microbes are not killed, which leads to the potential problems in further periods like infections. If there is normal amount of the gastric acid present in stomach, then it leads to the reduced intra-abdominal, that is the pressure on your stomach, the pressure will be reduced, which closes the lower esophageal sphincter and there will be no upward acid and acid reflux. But if there is reduced amount of stomach acid, then it leads to the raise in intra-abdominal pressure, that is raise on pressure on your stomach, and that leads to the backflow of acid from stomach into the esophagus, leading to lower esophageal sphincter gets open and it allows the acid to touch esophagus upwards. It leads to burning sensation in your chest and throat immediately after having your meals and indigestion, bloating sensation, burping continuously, and extreme fullness in the stomach after you have meals. Sleeplessness, food allergies. You can simply do a test at your home easily to know whether your stomach is producing adequate acid or not. That is, take a teaspoon of baking soda with 1 glass of water and have it. The mechanism is when we mix soda and it goes into the stomach and reacts with acid, carbon dioxide is produced. If your stomach is adequately producing acid, then you should experience symptoms such as belching, burping, in, and if their stomach is not producing adequate acid, then no symptoms are seen even after you take this. To avoid this acid reflux, you must avoid foods containing high fat content and deep fried foods. Caffeinated drinks such as coffee, cold coffee, and carbonated drinks such as soda, etc. And you should avoid the spices, chilies content, and alcohol. And you must eat 3 hours before bed and always sleep on the left side of your bed so that the acid reflux is maximum prevented. Always have 3 small meals in a day which are rich in fiber such as fruits and vegetables, and always have food 3 hours before sleep. If you are experiencing any symptoms of acid reflux or GERD like chest pain, stomach pain, etc., then put a pillow under your head and shoulders while sleeping so that your esophagus level will be more than your stomach, so that the acid reflux is prevented as acid find it difficult to move back into esophagus from stomach. Raises the pressure around your stomach due to that excess abdominal fat, which opens the lower esophageal sphincter, which triggers the acid reflux. So, always try to reduce the weight if you are obese and start a diet plan to reduce the weight. Antibiotics and NSAIDs like aspirin, paracetamol also causes the acid reflux, for which we usually take pantoprazole. Apple cider vinegar works as a magical and wonderful drink for acid reflux treatment. As apple cider vinegar has pH 2 to 3, which is acidic, it should be started. You should always start it with little quantities, like mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with 2 glasses of water before you eat. Always do it slowly and start it in very limited amounts. Never have this if you have peptic ulcer disease, as apple cider vinegar is more acidic, it causes more damage to an ulcer. Always avoid it. If you have gastric ulcers or duodenal ulcers, speak to your doctor and take his or her advice. If you are on PPIs, the pump inhibitors like cimetidine, ranitidine, and acid blockers, always speak to your doctor. Overall, apple cider vinegar gives you amazing and tremendous changes if you include it in your daily life. Another amazing benefit is it helps in weight loss in all ages of people, but in children, mostly avoid it. Watching, please share this with your friends and family and leave your comments below in comment section, and most importantly, make it a great and awesome day. For more information, please like, share, comment and subscribe. God bless you, and hit red button to get notifications instantly. Thank you.